how to potty train your puppy.
Hi guys, Doc Ara here. Ayan, kasama ko ngayon si Tiny, ang ating new doggy or puppy sa bahay. And first step is, syempre, routine is everything. Feed your puppy at the same time every day. Usually, after noon, kailangan mag-potty sila na 10 to 15 minutes after meal. Next is prepping their training pads. I usually use the Wolf and Tail size medium training pad. May other sizes rin like large and extra large depending on the size of your dog. May superior odor control rin siya, very powdery yung smell and highly absorbent rin. Tingnan nyo, nagbuhos ako ng water and walang tagos sa likod. Plus, quick dry ang surface niya kaya tingnan nyo walang tagos. Very important ang pag-prep ng training pad kasi dito sila magwiwiwi at pupu. Next is to pick a spot at ilagay nyo siya doon sa area na yon kapag wiwiwi at pupupo. Next step is to supervise and confine. Dito, nag-invest kami sa isang crate or pen para doon siya magwiwiwi palagi. Ngayon naman, abangers tayo. Abangan nyo hanggang sa magwiwi at magpupu sila. And usually may signs ang mga dogs. Ayan, ang ginagawa niya para siyang umiikot-ikot or minsan nagkakalkal yan si Tiny, then magwiwiwi na siya. And syempre, after every pee or kaya poop session nila, remember to reward, bigyan ng treat, or purihin sila na good girl or good boy. Pro tip is to stay consistent sa routine na to hanggang sa matuto sila. Be patient, mga fur parents. So if you have other concerns regarding your dog's poop or wee-wee, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.